Hi, and welcome to this short video on the flexible tabletop light stand from Raya. Okay, so when we first brought in the flexible tabletop stand, we brought it in to support our little buddy, the folding ring light. But we found out it has a lot of other uses. So another way that we found that we could use the flexible stand is it allows us to take our webcams and put them off to the side. So maybe you don't want to have it right above your desktop, or maybe you wanted to do a group chat with some people. This little guy allows you to put it anywhere you want it and flex it, bend it, and start shooting. And so the last way I like to use this, and this is my favorite way, this is what I actually do at my desk, I put my phone in it. You get just a generic phone holder, attach it to the 1/4-20 on the end of the flexible tube, put your phone in it. I even run my charger to it. I flex it, I bend it, I get it just exactly the way I want it, and voila, perfect. Thanks for watching this short video on the Raya flexible 11-inch tabletop light stand.